Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can delete a page in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in simply Wix, and then just click here menus and pages. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see, like, I don't know, I will add a page here, and I will just name it 1, 2, 3, whatever. And then just click here 3 dots, and you're gonna see here delete. So this is what you're looking for, 1, 2, 3, and just find delete. And yep, are you sure you want to delete the page? Yes, I'm sure. And voila, the page is deleted. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.